Have you ever stopped to think about the health of your lungs? These incredible organs work non-stop to bring oxygen into your body and remove toxins like carbon dioxide. But with exposure to pollution, bad habits, and everyday stress, your lungs could be struggling more than you realize. In today's video, we'll explore 6 powerful and natural ways to detox and cleanse your lungs. These tips are simple, practical, and backed by science. Stick around to discover an often overlooked method that can significantly boost your lung health. Just a quick reminder. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional for medical advice. Ready to breathe easier? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Stop smoking. If you smoke, quitting is the single most effective way to detox your lungs. Cigarettes contain over 7,000 harmful chemicals, many of which are toxic and carcinogenic. These chemicals cause serious and often irreversible damage to your lung tissue, reducing their size, elasticity, and overall function. But here's the good news. Your lungs begin to heal almost immediately after you quit smoking. Within 48 hours, damaged nerve endings start to regrow, and your sense of taste and smell improves. Over the coming months, your lung capacity increases, inflammation decreases, and your risk of respiratory diseases drops significantly. Did you know? After just 10 years of being smoke-free, your risk of developing lung cancer is cut in half compared to someone who continues to smoke. Quitting isn't easy, but you don't have to do it alone. Reach out to a healthcare provider for support. There are tools, therapies, and resources available to help you succeed. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is a powerful way to detox and strengthen your lungs. Exercise pushes your lungs to work harder, boosting their capacity and efficiency. This allows your lungs to process oxygen more effectively while expelling harmful toxins from your body. Activities like jogging, cycling, swimming, and yoga are particularly beneficial. Yoga, for instance, combines deep breathing with movement, which helps strengthen respiratory muscles and enhances oxygen flow. Experts suggest aiming for at least 30 minutes of exercise, 3 to 5 days a week. If that feels daunting, start small. Even a brisk 10-minute walk can make a difference. Incorporate interval training into your routine. Short bursts of intense activity, followed by rest. It's an excellent way to challenge your lungs and boost both respiratory and cardiovascular health. Number 3. Eat a lung-healthy diet. What you eat affects more than just your waistline. It directly impacts your lungs. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals helps protect your lungs from damage and supports their natural detoxification processes. For example, leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants that shield your lungs from harmful toxins. Berries, which are rich in vitamin C, work to reduce lung inflammation, while garlic and onions contain natural compounds that help fight harmful bacteria in your respiratory system. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish have been shown to improve overall lung function. Hydration is just as important. Drinking enough water, around 10 to 15 cups a day, helps keep your mucosal lining thin, making it easier for your lungs to clear out toxins. And here's a fascinating fact. Studies reveal that people who eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables have a much lower risk of developing lung diseases, even among smokers. Number 4. Monitor the quality of air you breathe. The quality of the air you breathe has a profound impact on your lung health. Polluted air from sources like industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, or even indoor pollutants can irritate and damage your lungs over time. To protect yourself, start by improving the air in your home. Using an air purifier can help remove allergens, dust, and harmful pollutants. Keep an eye on the Air Quality Index, or AQI, in your area. When the air quality is poor, limit outdoor activities, especially strenuous ones. Avoid exposure to household chemicals as much as possible, and when cleaning, ensure good ventilation or wear a mask for added protection. If you live in a city with high pollution levels, make it a point to spend time in nature. Forests, parks, and green spaces offer cleaner air, giving your lungs a much-needed break from pollution. Number 5. Practice breathing exercises. Breathing is something we do automatically, but intentional breathing exercises can work wonders for your lung capacity and help detox your respiratory system. A powerful technique to try is diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. To practice this, stand, sit, or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your stomach to rise while keeping your chest still. Then, exhale slowly through pursed lips, feeling your stomach fall. This simple exercise strengthens your diaphragm, enhances oxygen exchange, and helps clear out stale air trapped in your lungs. For even greater benefits, consider exploring other techniques like alternate nostril breathing or using guided breathing apps to find the method that works best for you. Number 6. Try steam therapy. Steam therapy is a simple yet highly effective way to cleanse your lungs and airways. The warm, moist air works to loosen mucus and soothe irritated respiratory passages, making it much easier to breathe. To try it, boil some water and carefully pour it into a large bowl. For an added boost, include a few drops of essential oils, like eucalyptus or peppermint, known for their respiratory benefits. Then, drape a towel over your head, lean over the bowl, and inhale the steam deeply for 10 to 15 minutes. Here's an interesting fact. Steam therapy is often recommended for individuals with chronic respiratory conditions, like asthma or bronchitis, because it's a natural and effective way to relieve symptoms and promote easier breathing. Your lungs are incredible organs that work tirelessly for you, day in and day out. By incorporating these 6 natural methods into your lifestyle, you can help detox and rejuvenate your lungs, allowing them to function at their best. Which of these tips are you excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's a small action that helps us create more valuable content for you. And make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, breathe easy and take care of your health. See you in the next one.